In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create views and view categories to organize your support tickets. Agents can create views for their personal use only. Admins and agents with permission can create shared views. To create a view, click the products icon and select Admin Center. In Admin Center, click Workspaces in the sidebar, then select Views under Agent Tools. Click Add View. Enter a name and a description for the view. Under Who Has Access, select the user access from the drop-down menu. Under Conditions, add any condition to filter your tickets in the view. You can show tickets that meet all or any conditions you set. Under Formatting Options, click Add Column to select additional ticket information to appear in the view. Click the grabber icon to reorder the columns. Under Group By, select the ticket field you want to use to group tickets. Under Order By, select a ticket field to use as the default data to order tickets. Once you're done, click Save. Find your new view and click Open to see the view in support. Use categories and subcategories to structure your ticket views in support. Only admins and agents with permission can set categories. To categorize your views, enter the category name and add a double colon in the view's title field. To add a second level, enter the subcategory name and add another double colon. Use the exact syntax to nest other views under the same category and subcategory. In this example, the view is grouped under the Sales category and After Sales subcategory. Once saved, the folder hierarchy appears in the Views panel in Support. You can create up to 3 category levels in the Agent workspace. Click the arrow to collapse and expand categories. Thanks for watching.